City Council is expected to vote on some big changes that could be headed to the ballot for town meeting day. They include a possible increase in the city's tax rate and $24 million bond for infrastructure projects. Local 44's Devin Bates joins us live in the newsroom tonight with the rundown. Devin?
Yeah, Lauren, in December, we told you about a similar push from the mayor's office to invest in infrastructure that was struck down in a special election last month. Well, this time around, the city is asking for less and hoping it'll get just a bit more support at the ballot box. The previous price tag for Burlington's infrastructure overhaul clocked in just shy of $40 million, and the results of a special election on December 7th showed a majority of voters were okay with that. The issue was that a two-thirds majority is needed to pass a general obligation bond, and only 57% of voters were on board. Now the bond is $16 million later, largely due to cutting out $9 million in improvements for Memorial Auditorium.
What I heard from most constituents who voted against the $40 million bond was the lack of specificity in the Memorial Auditorium placeholder. That was just not a winning argument. People, I think, would be more inclined to vote for a bond for a memorial if there was a complete plan.
The $24 million plan keeps the basics of last month's request. The money would help replace the city's emergency communications system, buy 3 new fire trucks, and address deferred maintenance at 10 city facilities.
One of the things that we've heard through our discussions as a Board of Finance is that these items and needs within our community are not going away. In fact, they only represent, they do not represent the full need of capital investment for our community, but rather a substantial scaling down of the total need.
And for the first time in 3 years, Burlington voters could also see a request to hike taxes on the ballot. The city's Board of Finance cited employee health care and pension costs as the driving force behind the proposed 5.5% tax increase. If that's not approved by voters, all city departments will have to look into their own budgets to find areas where costs can be cut.
Absolutely, we'd be looking citywide at all departments and all initiatives. We would work to make sure that no one department for kind of undue impact.
And Lauren, I'll be back in an hour with an update on tonight's meeting over on Local 22 News at 11. Now, as of a minute before I hopped in front of this camera, councilors have yet to take up these ballot items for discussion this evening. Live in the newsroom, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.